for you, you must have often heard what Forex trading is. Hearing the word Forex, maybe for some people is a foreign thing to hear. It's natural for you to feel foreign, because this term is more closely related to people who are quite experienced in the investment world. Forex or foreign exchange has a meaning as a foreign currency transaction. In Indonesia itself, Forex is better known as foreign exchange or foreign exchange. Then, what is Forex trading? If you start to have a curiosity about what Forex trading is an investment product with buying and selling foreign currencies. The activity of buying and selling foreign exchange, known as Forex trading, offers attractive advantages. Maybe you think that when you exchange money to a money changer, it is a Forex trading activity. However, the explanation will actually be more complex. So what is Forex trading and how is it different from foreign exchange? What is Forex trading? In general, Forex is a transaction to exchange the currency of the country where you live with the currency of a foreign country of your choice. In addition, Forex needs are usually personal, one of which is as a means of payment in other countries to be visited. So, if you exchange money at a money changer, the activity can be referred to as foreign exchange. While Forex trading has a different meaning. What is Forex trading? Forex trading is an activity of buying and selling foreign currencies which is usually done online. The purpose of Forex trading, as an investment itself, is to seek profit from the difference in the sales figures made. Usually those who carry out Forex trading activities are known as traders. After understanding what Forex trading is and what mutual funds are, in short, mutual funds are suitable as investment instruments for those of you who want to start as a novice investor. You simply deposit or entrust your investment capital to the investment manager. Usually this investment manager is managed and organized by an investment manager. Related parties will later help you to choose and buy the desired mutual fund. After a successful transaction, then you only need to pay attention to the movement and development of your investment while adding funds, just like saving money. Therefore, mutual funds are suitable as investment products for beginners and those of you who do not have enough time to manage investments independently.